Hey guys, it's your boy Han. Well, here we're back here with a new video, and oh my god, I just saw a humongous spider. Zoom in on that. Do you see that? That's huge. I mean, it isn't huge, but it's pretty big. Although my mom has dealt with a the wolf spider. I'll show you where that happened. Right there, that water is. Little open spot. That little spider was right there. We actually got it stuck inside, and we don't know what happened to it. We're hoping it's darn dead. Awkward. Okay. I know there aren't many vlogs that show you outside their house, though. These are all my little things I do in videos. I normally have a little paper bow, but I forgot to grab that. That's my intro. I just keep zooming in with the dubstep. That is like. That's subscribe. And that's my outro. Except one time, my outro didn't happen. Well, it happened once, but the second time, not really. Take a look. Hey, little kitties. Hey. And show your face. Try not to laugh. Oh, let me know in the comments below if you laughed. You just fell out. What was that? Hey, show your face on camera. Show your face. Show your face, Endo. Endo. Endo, show your face. Show your face. Show your face. Show your little face. There we go. Show your little face there. Well, it's not that well. Don't know where the cat is. We have a new cat. He could be anywhere. I don't even know if he's on the porch. Yeah. Yellow. Look at him. He's surprisingly not running away from me. So yeah. Hi. Okay. Awkward. Try not to cry. This is anywhere. About to be a big reveal of my room. Whoa! Yeah. This is my room. Here is my setup. That's where I'm going to start gaming. If I can find my tripod. I found my tripod, but I can't remember where I placed it back. By the way, there are Rubik's Cube pieces. These aren't the only types, but there are other types. I wanted to see if I have them over here. Yeah. Hey. Can't run. I have all 8 Slenderman pages. Help me. Can't run. Don't look what it takes you. My camera's glitching on my screen. I hope it isn't for you guys. But the camera's glitching? That's weird. Okay, focus. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. The camera is glitching. I don't know why, but it's glitching. I hope it isn't for you guys. But yeah, it's glitching. That's a Slenderman page. No. 3 hours later. 3 hours later. No. Okay. That one takes a long time to do. Follows. And this one's behind my door. Pretty creepy. Always watches. No eyes. Ow! Creepy. And, there's my tripod. Well, I know some gaming videos are going to be coming today. With my new setup, too. It's not really a setup. It's kind of a thing, but who cares? I haven't called it a setup. And also when I do my face reveal, before I actually show my full face, I'll be wearing all the Thug Life items, like a gold chain, a cigar, and Thug Life glasses. We'll eventually have a chair. Probably in the next gaming video, I'll have a chair. We're back out here. I don't really know what else to show. And of course, no face reveal yet. I need 50 subscribers. So, anyone watching? Tell everybody you know to subscribe to my channel if you really bad want a face reveal. Or just please pray for my YouTube channel to have 50 subscribers soon. It probably won't happen, but give me some good luck. For 50 subscribers pretty soon. Please, so. Anyway, because I want 50 subscribers so I can say, so I want to do a face reveal for everyone who subscribes, and because then I'll be getting subscribers way quicker because my channel's way bigger. Because right now I have like 6 subscribers. I might earn a subscriber in this video. And before I was a YouTuber, like forever, I wanted to be a YouTuber, and yeah. So. Yeah. I don't really know what else I can show. I mean, I can show this real quick. Disappearing ink. I won this at the Carolina Beach arcade. In case you're wondering where I live. I'm just gonna say what country I'm living in, say North Carolina. So yeah, actually put it
A pretty nice house.
I don't really know what else I can do in this video. So, yeah. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.